HETDEX is the Hobby-Eberly telescope dark energy experiment. And because we need to measure the expansion, that's what it's going to do. It's going to map out the expansion history of the universe. HETDEX is unique in a couple of ways. It is trying to measure how fast the universe is expanding at early times in the universe. Most of the other dark energy experiments are trying to map how fast the universe is expanding at late times or even today. The evidence for dark energy, in fact, came from a measure of how fast the universe is expanding now. And so HETDEX approach is to push this back to the early time in the universe to see what the expansion rate of the universe was back then. And what HETDEX is going to do is going to make a detailed map of where the galaxies are in the universe. And from that map, we can infer the expansion history. So we have to measure, in order to make a map, there are three things you need. You need its position on the sky. Those are two dimensions. And then you need how far away it is. If you want to make a map, we live in a three-dimensional universe, so you need a three-dimensional map. So you get the positions on the sky, those are two dimensions, and then you get how far away it is, that's the third dimension.